Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add SPF record in Godaddy. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Godaddy web account. And the next thing is I'm going to show you how exactly to create an account on Godaddy. From any browser of your choice, head over to the top corner where you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, all you need to do is to type godaddy.com. Now once you click on godaddy.com, and then it's going to take you to the official website for Godaddy. From the official website, check the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find sign up. So go ahead and click on sign up, and then it's going to take you through processes for you to create an account. Now the process is self-explanatory. Now you'll be either asked to create an account manually or automatically using Google, Facebook, or Apple. Choose the one that is convenient for you, and once you've created an account, it's going to take you to the GoDaddy homepage. This is not the homepage. But from the homepage, head over to the top right corner of the screen, you're going to find your profile name. Click on your profile name and you're going to find an extended menu. From the extended menu, you're going to see My Product. Click on My Product and it's going to take you to this fantastic page, which is the My Product page. From here, let's hop into today's strategy, how to add SPF record in GoDaddy. All you need to do is scroll the way down until you find domains. Domains here, manage all there. So click on manage all. And once you click on manage all, it's going to take you to the domains manager web or the domains manager window. So here is the domain portfolio. Sadly, I do not have a domain, but that's not really going to affect what we want to do here. Now check the left corner, you're going to find DNS. Now click on DNS, and once you click on DNS, it's going to open up the DNS settings. Perfect. So from here, if you want to add an SPF record, all you need to do is to select add new record button. And once you do that, from here, choose a name. You're going to have to choose at. And then the value, you're going to have to add your SPF code. And now there are different ways that you can get your SPF code, and or there are different platforms that are available for you to get your SPF code. And one of them is the Aptivo. So when you get your, you can launch Aptivo, APPTIVO, all right, and then you can get your SPF key using the email deliverability on that INTXT. All right, so once you do that and you get your SPF key, you can now enter your SPF value here, your SPF key, and then right here in TTL, you can now, of course, select how long the server should cache the information, or you can just set it to default. And once you're done, go ahead and click on the save button. And once you click on the save button, that's going to be it. You'll be able to successfully add your SPF record in GoDaddy. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video helped your search.